Ihe anyị ga-eleba anya na ya n'ụbọchị taata bụ ihe ndị Igbo kpọrọ myiriụdaume. Myiriụdaume. Myiri pụtara simile na Bekee, ebe ụdaume pụtara vowels. When we talk about something that is similar to something, it simply means that what we are talking about looks like another thing or acts like another thing. In Igbo language, we have two alphabets that can function as consonants and as well function as vowels, which means that those consonants are similar to vowels. They act like vowels even though they are not vowels. That is what we call myiriụdaume in Igbo language. Let's take a look at these two alphabets. Myiriụdaume abụọ enwere n'asụsụ Igbo bụ m, na n. Mana ọ bụrụ na abịa mgbe ha na-arụ ọrụ dịka myiriụdaume, ụda ị ga na-enweta ga-abụ that is the sound. The sound will no longer be me and it will no longer be ne, but So this will serve as a guide for you to know when me and ne are functioning as vowel and as consonants. So once you hear in a word, it simply means that me there is functioning as vowels. Let's take a look at these words for a better understanding. The first word we have here is mmadụ. That is human being. When you take a look at the spelling, you will see that it started with two me, that is two m. But when you're pronouncing it, the first m sounds like then we have madu. So it simply means that the first m is functioning as vowel, while the second m is functioning as consonant. The second word is mmanụ. That is oil. The third word is mma, beauty. Mma. The fourth word is mmemme. Mmemme is an event or occasion. Now, as you can see, this has about 4m in it. 2m is functioning as vowel, while the second 2m is functioning as consonant. Let's take a look at the pronunciation again. That is mmemme. So the first m is vowel, then at the middle the first m too is vowel, then the second m, both at the beginning and at the end, are the consonant. I believe this is very clear. Then the fifth word is mbe, tortoise. The sixth word is mmetụ, touch. The seventh word is mfe, easy or something that is light. The eighth word is mgba, wrestling. The ninth word is mkpa, need. The 10th word is inyo, that is sieve. So once you hear when you see m and you hear just know that m there is what? Myiriụdaume. That is a consonant that is similar to vowel, or a consonant that is functioning as vowel. Let's check out the second Myiriụdaume, which is ne. So it is almost the same thing. Just take a look at the sound while pronouncing it. Once you hear it means that it is vowel. But when you hear ne, it means that it is consonant. Let's check out the first word. Nna. Nna. That is father. Nne. That is mother. No. No. This word has 3 ne, but only the first one is sounding like That means it is the vowel and the rest are consonants. The no is a bird. The fourth word is nko. That is firewood. The fifth word is ncha, soap. The sixth word is ntụ, ash. The seventh word is ntutu, that is hair. The eighth word is nsọ. Nsọ is holy, something that is holy. The ninth word is nnukwu. That is big. And the last word in the list is nkịta. And nkịta means a dog. So I believe this teaching is very simple. Just mind your sound. Once you mind your sound, this topic will be very easy for you to understand. Myiriụdaume. Once you hear Myiriụdaume, what will come to your mind is those consonants that are similar to vowels or that act like vowel, and there are just 2, me and ne. Thank you for listening. Ebe a ka anyị ga-awụsa ọwa na nkụzi nke ụbọchị tata. Aka m bụkwa nwaada onye nke gị, Ezenekwe Angela Nkemakonam, Igbo teacher nke m. Please kindly subscribe if you have not done so, because I'll be bringing you different topics that will help you to learn Igbo language very well. Before you know it, you can start speaking Igbo language, reading Igbo language, and as well writing Igbo language. Thank you. Please subscribe. It is very important to me. Subscribe. Thank you. Ka emesịa.